what's up sa lahat? So magbablog na naman ulit ako ngayon dito and ipapakabit ko ngayon ang HKS muffler dito sa Wigo ng kapatid ko. Since nagpalit ako ng Borla exhaust sa Fiesta and ililipat ko dito kasi gusto niya ng medyo alam mo na yung naririnig yung makina habang nagkakambyo. Since ito is manual. So ngayon papunta na ako sa papagawan ko ng papa-install ko nitong ng muffler kay Kuya Bilog sa likod ng Banato. So ayun. Yan, so ayan, paliko na ako ng Kapitan Pepe dito sa Mega Wing. Ayan, yan yung Circum. So kung gusto niyo ng quality na gumagawa ng full exhaust, pwede kayong mag-inquire kay Kuya Bilog. So yung presyo niya is tama naman sa quality ng gawa niya. So ayan, yun yung Banato. So kakanan na ako dito. Then punong kanto kaliwa. So ayan, kung makikita niyo yung may black na Explorer na yun or Expedition I think, and gate na. Yan, so eto, gigilid lang ako kasi ko si Kuya Bilog. Yan, dito sa gate na to. Alright, ako muna. So ito po yung kotse kong bago, joke lang. Yung Dream Car ko, BRZ or Toyota 86. So ayan, nakalip na ngayon yung Wigo. So silipin natin yung ilalim. So yung pinaka muffler niya is andito, kung tama ba tawag ko muffler. Then yung reso ayun. So wala siyang putulan dito, unlike dun sa Fiesta na may ayun, may screwhan. So obligadong bagawa pa ng pipe. So dututungan ng pipings hanggang dito, mainit. Ilalim ng Wigo. Ayun yung resonator. So pag tinanggal pa yan, so mas iingay, mas magkakaroon ng crackle or something, nagpop-up. So ayan, so ito yung ilalagay natin, HKS medium can. So galing Fiesta, so sa Fiesta to galing. Lipin natin yung mga kotse ni basta yan, Subaru, hindi ko kilala, parang Hawkeye. So yan, sadly Subaru rin doon, BRZ. Ito, kung nanood kayo ng Initial D, andun yun, makikita nyo. Uy, 2 doors lang pala to. Then naka wide body, wide tires. Shit eh. Then ito pa, pang slalom, pang karera. Wala siyang screwhan na malapit, ano? Hindi ba mainit? Mainit lang. Mainit pa. Tabasahan.
But if I lay down and play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions.
Ayan na, uwi ko na. Ayan, binobomba na ng kapatid ko. Sige, bombayin mo nga. Sige, bombayin mo. Sige, bigay mo pa. Sige, isa pa. Last one.